Hi, my name is Dr. Odoyo Edward. I'm a dental surgeon at Kisumu Dental Centre, and today we are partnering with Ponea Health, and we are speaking about some tips that might help you to optimize your oral health. Tip number 1, always work closely with your dentist. We recommend that you visit your dentist at least once every 6 months or twice a year. Now, this visit is very important as it is likely to help pick up any problems that might be developing on your teeth while it's still early. At this stage, usually the interventions required are simpler, are cheaper, are painless, and so it will be quite helpful. If you delay in taking this action, then your problems may become more complicated by the time they are diagnosed, which means you end up with more expensive, more complicated, and more involving treatment. Tip number 2 is to always work with registered health professionals. In the dental field, you need to work with your dentist. Avoid relying on hearsay or word on the street when it comes to serious matters like your dental health. For example, many people have had the oral tissues of their children mutilated in the name of removal of plastic teeth. A good example is we've had people with what people generally call plastic teeth in their children, and they rush to unregistered health professionals or the wrong health professional, and these end up being removed erroneously. Now, these things people commonly call plastic teeth, in most cases need not be removed, as they are just the tooth germs which eventually develop into your baby teeth. Now, some of them come early or prematurely or develop some swellings around them, which is not a reason for panic. If they don't interfere with the baby's feeding, you don't need to take any action. If they interfere with the baby's feeding, or if they are loose and pose a risk of getting detached and maybe choking the baby, your dentist will be best suited to evaluate and advise. In such cases, they can be removed. Tip number 3, your toothbrush is able to clean 3 out of the 5 surfaces of your teeth. That is the top surface and the sides, the inner side and the outer side. Now that leaves 2 other surfaces of your teeth, which is the space in between your teeth on the front side and on the back side. Now these surfaces you cannot clean unless you use a dental floss to floss, or to clean in between those surfaces in between the teeth. So flossing your teeth at least once every day is very vital. Otherwise, this is the area where most of the tooth decay begins. Thank you for viewing this episode, and we invite you to join us again and check out our next episode. You can access our services by booking on poneahealth.com.